Hello friends, welcome to the NCERT sessions. In this video, I am going to explain chapter 10 of class 7th NCERT Geography. So let's get started. Here we have the desert definition. It is an arid region characterized by extremely high or low temperatures and has scarce vegetation. Deserts are those with extreme harsh temperatures, in some places as hot as fire and in some places as cold as ice. These are called desert areas of the world. These are characterized by low rainfall, scanty vegetation and extreme temperatures. Depending on the temperatures, there can be hot deserts or cold deserts. Coming to the hot desert, Sahara. Sahara Desert, covering a large part of North Africa. It's the world's largest desert. It has an area of around 8.54 million square kilometers. If you remember, India has an area of 3.2 million square kilometers. But only Sahara Desert itself has an area of 8.54 million square kilometers. That is, it's much more larger than India. The Sahara Desert touches 11 countries. These are Algeria, Chad, Egypt, Libya, Mali, Mauritania, Morocco, Niger, Sudan, Tunisia and Western Sahara. Here is one fact. Sahara once used to be a lush green plain. Cave paintings in Sahara Desert show that there used to be rivers of crocodiles, elephants, lions, giraffes, ostriches, sheep, cattle and goats were common animals. But the change in climate has changed it to a very hot and dry desert. Al Aziza in the Sahara Desert south of Tripoli, Libya recorded the highest temperature of 57.7 Celsius in 1922. Let's see the climate. The climate of Sahara Desert is scorching hot and dry. It has a very short rainy season. Temperatures during the day may be 50 degrees Celsius. The nights may be freezing cold with the temperatures nearing 0 degrees. Let's see flora and fauna. Vegetation in Sahara Desert includes cactus, date palms and acacia. In some places there are oases, green islands with date palms surrounding them. Camels, hyenas, jackals, foxes, scorpions, many varieties of snakes and lizards are found here. Scientists have actually found skeletons of fish in this desert. Next we have depressions. Depressions are formed when the wind blows away from the sands. In the depressions where underground water reaches the surface, an oasis is formed. These areas are fertile. People may settle around these water bodies and grow date palms and some other crops. Sometimes the oasis may be abnormally large. Tafilalet Oasis in Morocco is the largest oasis with an area of about 13,000 square kilometers. Next, let's see the people. The people in the Sahara Desert are Bedouins and Tuaregs. These groups are nomadic tribes rearing livestock such as goats, sheep, camel and horses. The oasis in the Sahara and Nile Valley in Egypt supports settled population. Crops such as rice, wheat, barley and beans are also grown here. Egyptian cotton, famous worldwide, is grown in Egypt. The discovery of oil, a product in great demand throughout the world, in Algeria, Libya and Egypt is constantly transforming the Sahara Desert. Other minerals like iron, phosphorus, manganese and uranium are also found here. Here the trucks are replaced by camels in the salt trade. Next we have cold desert. The cold desert we have is Ladakh. Ladakh is the coldest desert lying in the Great Himalayas on the eastern side of Jammu and Kashmir. The Karakoram range in the north and the Zanskar mountains in the south enclose it. Several rivers flow through Ladakh, Indus being the most important among them. Several glaciers are also found in Ladakh, for example, Gangri Glacier. So Ladakh is made up of two words, La meaning mountain pass and Dak meaning country. Next we have Dras, one of the coldest inhabited places on earth is located in Ladakh. The altitude in Ladakh varies from 3000 meters in Kargil to more than 8000 meters in Karakoram. Due to its high altitude, climate is extremely cold and dry. The day temperatures in summers are just above 0 degrees and nights will be minus 30 degrees Celsius. It is freezing cold in winters when the temperatures may remain below minus 40 degrees Celsius for most of the time. So there is no rainfall or there is a less rainfall as low as 10 centimeters every year. Ladakh is also known as Kapachan, which means snowland. The chiru or the Tibetan antelope is an endangered species here. It is hunted for its wool known as shahtush, which is light in weight and extremely warm. Next, here we can see the finest cricket bats are made from the wood of willow trees. These willow trees are found in Ladakh. Let's see the flora and fauna. During summers, fruit trees such as apples, apricots and walnuts blooms are famous here. Several species of birds are sighted in Ladakh. Robins, redstarts, Tibetan snowcock, raven and hoopoe are common here. Some of these are the migratory birds. Animals of the Ladakh are wild goats, wild sheep, yak and special kinds of dogs. Animals were reared to provide milk, meat and hides. Yak's milk is used to make cheese and butter here. Hair of the sheep and goat is used to make woolens. Most of the people here are Muslims or Buddhists. In fact, several Buddhist monasteries dot the Ladakh landscape with the traditional gompas. Some famous monasteries are Hemis, Tikse, She and Lamayuru. In the summer season, people cultivate barley, potatoes, peas, beans and turnip. Leh is the capital of Ladakh, which is well connected both by road and air. The National Highway 1A connects Leh to Kashmir Valley through the Zojila Pass. Here you can see Manali. Leh Highway crosses 4 passes: Rothangla, Baralachala, Langalachala and Tanglangla. The highway opens only between July and September when snow is cleared from the road. Next we have tourism. Tourism is a major activity here which is streaming from within India and abroad. Visits of gompas, treks to see the meadows and glaciers, witnessing ceremonies and festivals are important activities here. Here we can see the picture of Baralachala. Okay guys, by this we completed chapter 10 of class 7th Ncert Geography. Also we completed class 7th Ncert Geography. Thank you.